Want to track every lead like a pro? GoHighLevel opportunity stages let you see exactly where prospects are in your sales pipeline and move them closer to closing. First, go to Opportunities tab and select your pipeline. Think of it as a visual map of your sales process, from new lead to booked call to a closed deal. Set up a custom stage that matches your workflow. For example, new lead contacted, qualified, proposal sent, and won or lost. This keeps your pipeline clean and clear. As leads come in, drag and drop them into the right stage. This helps you instantly see who needs follow-up, who's close to closing, and where deals are getting stuck. Here's the power move. Connect automations to each stage. So when a lead moves to qualified, GoHighLevel can automatically send an email, assign a task, or trigger a text reminder. That's how you use opportunity stages in GoHighLevel. Simple, automated, and built to help you close more deals faster. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.